My name's Arthur Pryor. I'm a senior research engineer at the National Centre for Additive Manufacturing, and I'm here with Benno from LEAM Technologies.
Hello.
And Benno, so we're here today, we're installing a new piece of equipment from LEAM. So Benno, why don't you just tell us a little bit about your technology and what it does?
Yeah. So we from LEAM Technologies, we provide this active temperature control system which helps to increase the performance of the printed part for the seat system of the MTC. It uses light to locally reheat the material, and in that way it increases the layer bonding and allows you for certain polymers to reach injection molded performance.
So what are the kind of main problems that the technology overcomes in terms of the challenges that people are normally experiencing when printing at this really large scale?
In large format extrusion, AM, you have a certain temperature contradiction, what we call. On the one hand, the material needs to cool down to be able to carry the next layer, but at the same time, it needs to be really warm to ensure a proper bonding between the layers. Since this is a contradiction, you need to find a compromise, and you have quite often parts that are not as strong as they could be. Our system enables you to very locally reheat the material, so you ensure the stability of the part during the print, but at the same time, a perfect layer bonding.
Cool. Brilliant. And so in terms of like LEAM as a company, so you guys, you're a startup, aren't you, from Technical University of Munich? So this is one of your first commercially installed systems, right?
Yes, we started as a spin-off from the Technical University of Munich. The company exists now for 2.5 years. This is our 11th system that we are commissioning, so we are still in the beginning, but it's becoming more and more. And our customers so far are pretty happy with the system, I think, because we solve a problem that hasn't been solved before.
So the reason that we're really interested in having this piece of equipment here at the MTC is that we see that large format additive manufacturing is increasingly moving towards end use and sort of high performance applications. So we see really huge benefits for this technology for producing structural end use parts, especially in the maritime sector. But also the system allows you to print high temperature polymers in an unheated environment. So in the composites industry, for example, this gives you the ability to produce tooling and large tools that need to be able to perform in those high temperature environments. So we see a lot of new applications and possibilities being unlocked, and we want to have this capability here to allow our members and customers to come into an open access workshop environment and to explore those possibilities.